Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to unlock the new winter frost recipe, Apple Frosted Pancake in Heartopia. First, make sure you already have the penguin stove like this, because this recipe can only be cooked using this stove. And if you don't know how to craft the penguin stove yet, you can check the link in the description for the full tutorial. And then next, just make sure you already own the original frosted pancake recipe like this. Like this one. You can get this recipe from NPC Massimo, and then after that just tap on your penguin stove like before, and then it will open the recipe menu like this, and then just select the original frosted pancake, this one, and then on this ingredient just replace it with the apple like this, and then next just simply tap on start cooking. And like this, you will unlock the new winter frost recipe, Apple Frosted Pancake, and also it will add it to your recipe menu, this one, like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.